It was a one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eater. I thought I'd get that in there. Happy Thursday again, boys and girls. We have got here Extreme Networks, just come out of the refurb shop. Look at that. That looks brand new again. And what have we got here? We've got a Summit 460-48T switch. And yeah, so that wasn't why I came out here to do a video. I've done a video for, not for that either, all those screens, not for that, not even for this C240 M5 server. Don't get too many of these, and these are the large format. Well, they let's have a look on those. There you go, look, 10 terabit drives, fully loaded. So that one's coming into stock. We'll check the drives, make sure they're all white. There's one drive missing there. It's in my office because I do research on Cisco at a deep level, but I am actually here for that. And so you might think to yourself, hang on a second, is it a Catalyst 6000? What is it? Well, it's gold, and I'll just show you on the top there, it has been refurbished. Now these are very difficult to get the gold right on these, and yeah, the paint on the gold is really difficult to get right. So am I sorry that Cisco don't make these anymore in gold? Not really. Well, I suppose I'm okay with it, but the boys in the spray shop, they're not too happy about it. Oh no, not another gold one. But anyway, so what is it? Well, it's a switch, and it's so how many slots we've got? We've got 7 slots, but then we've got a Catalyst 6500 supervisor engine in there, and we've got 2 power supplies, and yeah, so the story about this is the Catalyst 6807-XL switch, first introduced in 2013, so it's 12 years old, and then it was retired in 2019. I'm not quite sure. I think it was introduced to sort of maybe bridge the gap between the Catalyst 6500 range maybe and the 9400 range. Who knows? But anyway, it wasn't super successful. But there are still these out on networks dotted around. So this one's going out as a support contract spare. They didn't want to just a used one because it's a very important client. This is going to, you can see that this is the cap. This will go on the top of there, and then there'll be a sleeve on top, and then a lid on the top of that, and then it'll be banded on a little mini pallet. Look, super safe. It'll arrive on site looking beautiful. Anyway, must go. If you need Extreme Networks switches, please ask us for some really easy to get ones. No, I'm only kidding. We like a challenge. Anyway, got to go. See you. Bye.